Helicopters are uniquely suited for making however telecasts due to their ability to hover, maneuver in tight space and track of land carriers. Here's a telecated explanations of how helicopters from the physically spectacly types of helicopters uses for hover covers. Heavy-lifted helicopters are specifically designed for carrying and service loads, expanding quote. She could share the stage for 53 voice selections of complaint uses for military and construction purpose capability lifting over 340 pounds. Built-made 26 world's largest helicopters capability of lifting 44,000 pounds. Being a CC-47 Chikunagi, a trapped underwater helicopters accounts for its basically tilt-and hover-lift capacity. These helicopters are indicated weight performance reinforces its arms and advances the rotor system to suffer the largest loads. Diversions for hover deliveries. Before the helicopters lifted heavy loads, extensive flying and preparations and required load assignment with a calculation that the load's weight is the most be weight in the helicopters is to maximize the flight's capacity. Think of our capability ensuring the load and the weight is the ability distribute to maintain the flight stability. Sharp and trainer makes a widely sharpened water bookie loaded cells analysis for their effects of one influences the track. Racing and silencing. Heavy loads are typically characterized using things for folks. These are sequences attached to the helicopters is character how wind systems. The swings are made to offer strengths, maintains sources of trail capability, words and tickles flowers enter the careful inspected for safety. Environmental factors. Whether condition to waiting, temperature, and visibility are inflated as they can affect the lift and stability. Altitude are designed to decrease with altitude, reducing inlet capacity. Flight path plate is seated water and rapidly populated areas and obstacle like parts lines hotel station. Lifting and transporting heavy loads. The process of lifting and transporting and how this load involves is present in Tamil. However, and load assignment. Helicopters however CCF with a load of 10 targeted for ground crowd. The ground to crowd contented the load to the helicopters in the cargo hack, ensuring entering security casting. Utility left. The pilots solar is increasingly lifted to test the load established and ensure it is appropriately balanced. On stably, the helicopters in second to the civil trade for transport. In-flight manual repairing. The pilot maintains the the speed and altitude heavily trained system and movement the cloud destabilizes the lead. Communication between the pilot and ground crew in communication to maintain the load's conditions. Delivery and load releases. At the destinations, the helicopters hovers while the ground detaches the load. In some cases, the remote control to the systems allows the pilot to release the load without ground assistance. Applications of heavy lift helicopters deliveries. Heavy-lift helicopters are used in investigative work industries, construction, transporting heavy machinery like steel frames, concrete and prefabricated tracks to remote overheights lighted to site. Military operations telefiring equipment, vehicles and civilians to enclave one conflict zone. Digital reflected real-life fighting senses supplied the equipment and facilities to destroy strike in this area. Energy security transport in competitions like within proving talent generators war prevents to options over remotely engaged site. Forest or moving logs or equipment is inserts without road access. Silence in how helicopters deliveries. While limited exciting, the flight capacity can be lead to mechanical physical accident. Established show exciting load can be seen over orbit, creating additional silencing for the pilot. Fuel consumption creating helps roads in Vegas and increasing fuel uses, limiting runs and duration. With the sensitive, advances weather conditions can jeopardize these sites and efficiency. Advances in heavy-lifted helicopters technology improves medical use of libraries weight while trying medicals for enhanced flight capacity. Automation, advanced autopilot system is load stabilization and precise delivery. Electric and hybrid proselytions, routines fill defense and improvement impact. Remote opportunities trans and in-metal aerial systems are being debated for specs heavy-lift stacks. Helicopters' ability to make heavy deliveries is the realization and justice for independence to silencing